Cubans are enjoying a new normalcy following the government's successful health measures to combat COVID-19, which has impacted people across the island since 2020. During the pandemic, Cuba authorized its first homegrown COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use in 2021, the first country in the Caribbean and Latin America to successfully produce a coronavirus vaccine.
Las vacunas cubanas tienen algunas características que las hacen.
The Cuban vaccines have reported few and very slight adverse reactions after the administration of millions of doses. They can be stored at temperatures of between 2 and 8 centigrade degrees and over 30 degrees for nearly a week, which is good for developing countries, and they have proven to be highly effective.
In 2021, Cuba vaccinated more than 90% of its people with one dose of its COVID-19 vaccine, and it became one of the first nations to launch a massive immunization campaign for children between the ages of 2 and 10. Dr. Martinez told me that Cuba exported its vaccines to other nations in need and launched joint cooperation projects such as the ongoing development of a Chinese-Cuba vaccine to fight other coronaviruses. Martinez said that after successfully controlling the spread of COVID-19, Cuban scientists are researching post-immunization results on the island.
Estamos estudiando el estado de inmunidad de la población cubana.
We are studying the immunity levels of the Cuban people with over 5,000 volunteers, and partial results reveal that at this point in time, over 98% of the population counts on antibodies against COVID-19, while immunization levels are very high.
According to the worldmeter.com, more than 8,000 people have died from the virus, while the latest COVID-19 variants continue to sicken the population in small numbers. As new COVID-19 variants spread around the world, the Cuban health authorities say precautionary measures should be taken against the virus. Meanwhile, COVID-19 vaccine booster shots are being administered to people to keep the disease under control in the country. Luis Chirino, CGTN, Havana.